All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. Today I'm going to be talking about how to rank #1 on Google and make $100 a day with affiliate offers. So let's begin real fast. So as you can see up in Google, I have RankIQ tutorial typed in, and I'm ranked #1 from a YouTube video that I did a couple years ago. And this just goes to show you that you can rank a YouTube video for a major keyword for a major software. And I'll show you why this is a major software over here in just a minute, because they have a ton of social proof and so forth. They have very high rankings or ratings and so forth. And so this is SEO gold mine. This is the SEO gold rush for YouTube right now. Instead of going out and building a website like everybody else is teaching you to do, you can actually just build small YouTube channels with a high focus on products that are high quality, and you can deliver helpful content to people that need to learn how to use these tools, and then you can get rewarded for being the first one to the playing field. Okay, so you can see right over here, we're ranked #1 right there. People click on this, they go and click on my affiliate link, and then they go and purchase the software. And I can show you how much money I've made real quick by logging into my RankIQ account and showing you that they'll actually be paying me $2,400 because I got a $1,000 bonus in October. But you can see that this is just steady. This is one software out of many, many, many softwares that I recommend and promote on a monthly basis. And I've added this up, and it's about like $13,000 or something like that that RankIQ has paid me when we keep coming over here and looking at all of the different payments that they have sent me right over here. Okay. And if we go back to the dashboard over here, you can see that there's $1,700 in the queue that they need to pay me right over here. So this stuff works, guys. If you want to start making money with affiliate marketing and YouTube, it's really easy. Just like in this video right now, I'm purposely not showing myself on camera just to show you that you don't have to be on camera in order to create helpful content for people. If I scroll down here, you'll see that I have another video ranking right here on page 1 right over here. And if we go up here and we just type in RankIQ, I might be ranking for something like that. And we're on Google. Keep in mind, I'm ranking even higher on YouTube. So right over here, I'm still ranking for RankIQ, just the term. And then if we go over to RankIQ review, these are all very valuable commercial intent keywords that people are ready to pull the trigger and buy the software. And then look, I'm still ranked on Google right here. And if we go to YouTube and try all these keywords, I'm going to be dominating YouTube with all my videos about RankIQ. And if you want to learn how to do this, you can actually go over and click the first link below, because I have a thriving community right now. It's built on the school platform created by Sam Ovens, because this is way better than a Facebook group, because everything is right in front of you. You have one login and you can get to work. You come over to the community and you can see I have so much activity. We have some amazing members already. We have 30 people in the community already. People are starting to get results. People are leaving testimonies. People are taking action in their business right over here. Like right over here, Chucky Gideon says that he is happy to start his YouTube journey today and break the fear of going on camera. Let's do this. And then I actually comment and say, I love the attitude. Keep in mind, you don't have to be on camera to make this work. It's your choice, but many and most of my channels are just me talking into the mic. Super easy. Anyone can do this. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. We have some amazing stuff going on. Anytime you come up here, we just have people, communicating and learning from one another. Yesterday, we had our first webinar, which is super, super cool. We went over to the calendar and we had this nice webinar about niche selection, because that's a bottleneck for a lot of people. We're going to go over here to Classroom, and I have uploaded that to the live webinar section. But also inside the membership that I just added 2 days ago was this case study. I'm building a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. It's a faceless YouTube channel, tutorial-based channel based on one software, and you can basically get in here and watch me build a YouTube channel from scratch. And I show everything, share everything, and then of course the YT Affiliate Blueprint, this full-blown course that if you take this, it's a couple hours long. You will no longer have questions about how to make money online, and you will be able to jump in and start creating your YouTube affiliate empire. Okay. So how do we go about doing this Rank IQ? How did I go about using this? Well, for one, you can come over here to a platform called G2. If you just type in G2 in Google, we can come over here and click on that, right? And then when we do that, this is a platform that is getting a ton of searches per month. 5 million people are coming over to G2 every month. They're landing here. They're doing research on all these different softwares that have amazing ratings. We're talking thousands of ratings. You could build an entire channel on productivity, right? You could build an entire channel on project management. You could feature Trello, and you could go over here and type in, I don't know if they have one, but this is how you do it. Trello affiliate program. Let's see if Trello doesn't offer an affiliate program or partner program, but offer a free month of Trello Gold for referrals. So this one may not be the right one to go in for an affiliate program, but that's how you do it. You come in here and you do the research, right? Maybe you come in here and see if Monday.com, and you would just go like that. Monday.com affiliate program, see if they have one, right? Right over here, be a part of Monday.com's growing network of affiliates, and you'll just go click on this, right? Because Monday.com, we can go over here and check, gets 31 million people. This software right here alone is like, what is that? I'm trying to do the math, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it's like 6 to 7 times larger than G2.com itself, right? So G2 is featuring all these softwares. Just put this into perspective. One software right over here is 6 times larger than this site, this massive database that helps get ratings and so forth for these software companies, right? So Monday is a massive software that people in business and in the business industry, they need to use a tool like this to communicate with their teams and so forth. We can come down here and join the affiliate program. You just get started now. You get all kinds of stuff. With our tier model, you can earn up to 100% commission on the first year's sales of each customer you refer. So the more customers you generate, so they're so confident in their tool that they're willing to give you 100% of the money that somebody is paying for Monday for up to a year, just for saying that we know that our customers are going to stay with us for years to come. And we're willing to give you an entire year of commissions from that customer. I actually have never seen this before. 100% commission on the first year. That is unbelievably insane. I've never actually seen that. And I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I've never seen, commissions quite like that, which is insane. So you go and you sign up to this affiliate program Monday. You go over to Monday and look at pricing, and all you would need to do is just sign up. $8 a month. Start using the tool, and then doing tutorials. Build an entire productivity channel around Monday.com. Right? You could come over to ChatGPT, and you could just go over here and say, right over here, we'll go to G2. We'll say project management and productivity. So I'm going to say, give me 10. And I'm doing this right from scratch. I don't have the prompt prepared or anything. I'm showing you how easy this is to get set up. Now, the hard part, the part that separates people that are successful doing this from everybody else, is the people that actually take action, and they do show up every day. They're consistent, and they can become content creators. That's what I teach in my community. So you'll want to go click the first link below, go sign up to Six Figure Freedom Club so you can finally start your online business today. So what we would do is we would come over here and we would just say, give me 10 catchy clickbait. So here's what I've got, guys. Give me 10 catchy clickbait YouTube titles that are 70 characters or less for my brand new YouTube channel about business, productivity, and project management. It doesn't matter if you spell it right or wrong. ChatGPT is smart enough to know exactly what you're saying. So then ChatGPT goes to work, and it's going to do the whiteboarding and brainstorming for us, right? So we've got 5 productivity hacks CEOs don't want you to know. So it's giving us some amazing channel, YouTube content ideas with amazing catchy titles. It's going to be laser focused. You'll be able to build authority around this topic. And I just grabbed the first one. This was not intentional. You can grab any topic over here and do the same thing. The sky's the limit, right? But guess how you do this, right? So you have 5 productivity tools. Throw in Trello, throw in some of the other ones. But the one that is like your heavy hitter, the one that you know is the best tool, put that as your number one in all of the videos, right? Always be promoting that Monday deal right over here. Always putting your link in here, always ending with that is the number one. If you could choose between the 5 tools at the very end, just put a plug in there. These are the 5 best tools. I love them. Go get them and stuff. Trello is good for free and so forth. But once you're ready to make it to the big time, graduate, and really have a power-packed tool that's just amazing, you can't do without Monday. First link is below. Go pick this up, right? So you're going to be able to, you can create slides for this. You don't have to be on camera. I mean, look at all these amazing titles right over here. So there's no excuses, guys. Like, you guys can come over here and watch all these other videos that people are coming out with on YouTube. Like, we'll come over here to YouTube, guys. And I'm just trying to tell you like how it's done. You can come over here to YouTube and just say how to make fast money online, something like that, right? This is what people are searching for, okay? So then you come over here and you watch 7 laziest ways to make money, $665 per day. Are you kidding me, right? And guess what? This is how these people are growing. They've got 166,000 subscribers. And I bet you anything, when you come down here and you watch most of these videos, 500 a day, you just click a button, right? All this stuff, I got to be honest with you guys, it's not true. This stuff is just not true. What's really happening is that all these people right here, you've landed on the truthful video. All these people right here, they decided to become content creators and slam YouTube with clickbait type videos and channels, and they have good video editing and so forth, right? They seem genuine and everything, but really these people are making a ton of money off of these 10,000 views right here, right? This is actually how you make money, is making YouTube content, becoming a content creator first and foremost. And you don't make money by installing a simple app on your phone and then pushing buttons and then getting paid 5 cents every, 24 hours or something like that. It just doesn't work like that. These people are making money from their YouTube channel. You better believe it. And that is their number one business model, is making money from YouTube. And I'm teaching you the right way to get started, to actually find real quality products, build a real YouTube audience, and produce high quality content, helpful content to people, and then you'll get rewarded for it. So go join my 6-Figure Freedom Club, because this is a club where I'm sharing every single thing that I know, very transparent. There is no questions being asked that I don't give a full honest answer to. We have live calls, and we have courses in the classroom section. We have live calls scheduled 2 per month right there. And then we have a thriving community. Go check it out. Hopefully this video made sense. And this is how you can actually rank on Google, rank on YouTube, and make $100 a day. I showed you proof that this stuff works with an actual software. So this is something that all these other videos aren't doing. They actually don't show you, they don't log into an affiliate account right here, like RankIQ. That's a software that we find over here on G2, has 5-star ratings and so forth, and then show you thousands of dollars that they have made with the software. Look at thousands of dollars made on this software. So go and take action in your business. That's the number one thing that's going to move the needle for you. I'll see you in the next video.